Mardet. Follow Tita
Oo,
Mardet.
Tita Mardet. I-follow Tita Mardet. Ate Mardet.
Follow the leader, okay?
Follow Ninang Mardet.
Charlie, you're 12. You're 12.
Ay! Kung pa niya yan!
Charlie,
Ako
you're
po?
12.
Paano ikaw nga? Nakalit pa ano? Nakita ko sa Facebook yan eh. Nakalit pa sunog.
Ngayon mo.
Saan?
Nakapagbaganyan ka na ba?
Kung gusto mo kumain.
Hi, Charlie.
Parang masakit yan, sinusunog yan, di ba?
Hindi, nalagyan na kami yan. Anesthesia.
Kaya mo dapat
Topical anesthesia.
sabay niya.
Ano na, sister also.
This is, what's the name of this egg?
Balot. Balot.
Balot.
Balot. Balot. Balot.
Balot is the team of Pugo and Tugo.
You say balot. Okay, kapit ni Ninang Mardet. Oh, what's that song? Ano, in your play. Ayan, ayan. Sabi ko, may content na siya.
Listen to the professional balot eater.
How will you know where to crack it? How will you know where to crack it?
Ay,
It's the
hello.
flat
Charlie's watching, huh?
Charlie,
side.
Later,
Do you
you
know-
know Charlie, ha?
I don't get it. Which one is the flattest side? Flattest side. More flat.
Next si
This
Charlie,
one,
ha?
or is it this one, or this one?
Charlie, you're next, ha?
This one, no. Is it this one, or this one? Try. So, no, wait. I can't focus with you doing this. It's here. It's like this one. Which one is the pointy one and the
rounded one.
rounded one? This one's big. Which one's pointy? No, I mean this one. That's
All I know that balot is the friend of Tugo and Pugo.
that one. So, you know that one. Okay, Matthew, you need to crack it. Crack it like that. Yes. And then remove the shell. You can crack it to the... I want to mess with it.
Next si Charlie, ha?
There you go. Kelly, you should do it now.
All together.
Yeah, all together. Let's go, Charlie. Let's go. Have you tried this? You have to remove the shell. Oh, man, remove the shell first.
Charlie, pay attention to the left of the picture.
The moment you see there's like a skin. Yeah. Yeah. And there's baka makita nito ang mata inside. Yeah. Put some salt in it. Oh, you have to carry it. No, put salt in it. Put salt. Yeah, you have to carry it.
Just have to,
Yeah.
you just have to smile because you're on camera.
Okay, it's not so much salt. Okay.
Hindi siya yata nag-do, ha?
Use the soup.
Sip,
Oh,
sip,
what?
sip,
Use the
sip.
soup. Sip, sip.
Ayun, oh. No, you don't have to.
Look at these faces.
Wow, good job, Charlie! Hey, Charlie, good job! No, calling Charlie all the time. I can't even drink this thing. May hole na ba? May hole ba? May hole na. I can't drink it. I only taste the salt.
It's just a simple soup.
You need to see the soup inside.
Do you know the soup?
What's
up?
So, hindi kasi ako kumakain ng balot yan. So, the salt that you have to put here in the soup. In the soup. Yeah. And you have to drink the... Hey!
Just a small amount of ano.
Taste it first.
Hanggang siya, si Kuya.
Oh, okay na. Cheers, 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 cheers. Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers for the balut eaters.
Hey, we have a guest. Oh, there. He's doing balot for the first time.
What do you think about it?
It's okay.
It's okay, guys. I love it. I love it very much.
Why you like it? It's okay.
Oh, it's okay. So very, very Do you know the friend of Balot? And ano po?
Pinakikila mo. Okay, so... Next. Mari, next.
The moment you've already finished the soup, you need to finish it.
Finish the soup.
Masarap naman talaga ang soup yun eh. Kung hindi mo lang alam yung ano.
Hindi ka talaga totoo.
Hindi. Oo, kung ano yung totoong nasa laban ha. Kung hindi mo talaga alam. Masasarap ang katabi.
Okay. Yung vessel. Okay.
Pero kung minsan hindi ako masyadong nabalot, pero iba ako.
Masarap din ang balot. Gusto. Nung una hindi ako kumakain yan, teenager na, matanda na ako nung una ako nakakain.
Kuya Anton.
Nakikita ko kasi sila mami kumakain. Ayaw.
Kuya Anton or Kuya Anton.
Sabi ni
Ako
mami,
nakita ko kasi una yung mata. Kaya
late na akong nakakain yan.
Hindi ako kumakain yan ng ngayon. Kaya nga hindi ako marunong.
Ang sarap.
Kain yan?
Ay, ang sarap. Ito pala ang dapat isunod natin.
Ay, ano ka?
Ito ang isusunod
No,
natin.
no, no, no.
Masarap.
Susumbong kita kay Daddy O.
Napakasarap yan. Ang sarap-sarap talaga
Ay,
yan.
nako, susumbong kita kay Daddy O.
Ito pala ang dapat isunod sa lesson.
Oh, that's your...
Hello, Anton!
Daddy, there's ano?
What? The balut in that sauce.
Yeah, and then you have to dip the butter.
You start with this. This.
Kuya Anton, no?
Eh, nasa straight eh.
Doon nga ako dyan, kuya.
Dip it.
Makapon na nga dyan, maputi.
Dip it.
Australian citizen na yan si Anton eh.
Okay, and then...
Hi, Grace.
I did. Okay, wait.
Hi, Grace.
Hi to Kuya.
Maddie, look, Kuya Anton's there. Did you wave?
And say, look what I have. Okay.
Ayan, next.
Okay, now we bite it.
Yeah, you can bite it. You have that sauce already?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's very soft.
Oh my god.
I don't know what's
It's so soft.
Yeah, it's like...
Don't look at it, just eat it.
No, just
take a bite.
Just take a bite and then chew.
True. It's so juicy, right?
Yeah.
What do you think about the taste?
It's like egg.
Oh, yeah. That's the delicious part. The delicious part. You eat it. That's the delicious part.
Eat it. Okay, eat it.
Just chew.
Only if
Chew
you
it, that's about
one. Can you finish it?
How?
Can you finish it? No.
It's all from everyone.
Just sauce, just soup. There.
Delicious yan eh, yung yellow part na yan.
Yeah.
What it is?
It's not bad.
Oh, it's good. It's good.
Now you're a legit Filipino.
Oh, is it finished? Tapos na, hindi sa pinakain.
Embryo. Embryo.
You know what that is? No.
Embryo.
Yeah, embryo, right? The embryo. Hindi pa naman sa... Okay, wait. Kinakain ba to?
Oo.
Hindi ba?
But the parang yung hard part hindi kinakain. Alisin mo na yung hard part.
Hindi, kung ano mo siya ng hard part dyan eh. Yung ba to?
Okay.
Yung puti.
Matigas.
Ito.
Oo, yan.
Oh, Maddie, you eat this. You don't eat this because it's hard. You eat this one. This and this. Okay?
Pero ako, iniisa-isa ko yung bato niya. Malambot din ako.
Martet, di ba si Shelo nandun? Pupunta ako din, nakakapogi din ako yun. Pumogi ka
Dati pa naman pogi yan.
Oo.
That's pumogi lang.
Magiging
Kapag pumogi, si Ronald ba?
Magiging Aboriginal.
Pupunta ako bukas na bukas.
Pagbalik mo dito, balik mo dito.
It's so greasy.
Ah.
Balik mo, evaluate.
I'm saying healthy.
But I think it's not grease. It's just the...
It's the coating of the the baby.
Yeah, when you're done, you can Google what it is. To give you a better explanation.
Nanood na ng Superman last week. Kasama yung boyfriend niya. No? Sa Friday, sila naman ni Anton. Manonood naman sila Superman. Sila naman daw magde-date.
Tutulugan na lang siya nun.
Hindi, siguro maganda. Kaya
Kaya pumayag naman.
magla-lunch raw sila tapos manonood daw.
Isa, you gonna watch it?
Hey, Marty! May halo-halo.
Wow! Next food! Ayan na po. Halo.
Get it in the freezer.
So good. I needed this after that egg.
85 degrees.
I needed this after that egg.
It's a lot of fun.
Do you like it? Yeah.
Maghalo-halo.
Pero actually, dapat kinahalo yan, di ba?
Oh, hindi mo mahalo eh.
Nga.
Nundo ka ng
Hindi mo mahalo.
Tapos,
ako na
mga jeans ang metal, yung hindi siya 360, pero maganda, may gusto kami ni Joey. Yung sa akin, 5,000. Kasama lens.
You like it?
Mura nga. Tapos, senior, 3,500 na lang.
May senior?
Kaya man, kinumpit namin, ba't kami bibili pa sa Japan, eh pagdating dito may lens pa.
Hindi ko alam na masura dito.
Oo, di ba? Pero alam mo ba sino dumila ng bench pala? Bench din pala.
Hindi, okay. Meron din pala sa Green Hills nun.
The spoon? There, the green, yung green na spoon, nandyan.